Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As in the previous lecture video, we have discussed that what are web pages and what are websites. As it was the playlist of our web pages and it contained 4 or 5 lectures. And from today onwards, we will discuss that what is CSS, and it is the first lecture video of our CSS journey. In this lecture video, we will discuss that what does CSS stand for and how does it create animations or designs to your websites. So with further ado, let's get started. Okay, so now we will discuss about the introduction to CSS, that what is CSS and why it is important. So basically there are two questions within the introduction, that why is CSS important and what is CSS. So CSS stands for cascading style sheets. Cascading style sheets. Cascading style sheet, CSS. And it's used for to control your appearance of your HTML content, like settings, for example, like your colors, like your fonts, your layouts, your spacing, your borders, your backgrounds. So these all controlled by CSS, like within CSS these all are controlled. And while HTML gives your website a structure, a brick like structure, a very strong structure, and CSS makes it beautiful and user friendly, like it makes it beautiful and efficient and easy to read. Okay, so the second question is that why is CSS important? So without CSS, or your all web pages would look like the same, plain and very boring. So why CSS is important? That it separates content, your HTML content, from your designs, and also makes your website responsive and easy to use. And it's very easy to use and also to read. Helps It also helps your consistency, change one file and affect the whole site, and also saves times and make your code cleaner. So CSS is not an optional, it's also essential, and also for modern websites. So this was the short intro of our CSS, and that why is CSS important and what is CSS. And in the next lecture video, we will discuss that how to use or how to add your CSS in your HTML coding or in your HTML. I hope you have learned something new. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.